Welcome, everyone. Today, we are going to learn about enough and plenty of. We will learn how to describe quantities in English, whether you have just the right amount or when you have more than enough. What do these words mean? We use enough and plenty of to describe the quantity of something, explaining how much or how many we have. Enough means the amount matches what you need. It is not too little and not too much. Plenty of means you have more than enough. There is a lot, much more than you need. Let's look at using enough. We use enough when the amount of something matches our need, so it is exactly what is required, not too little and not too much. In a positive sentence, you can say, there is enough water, which means we have the right amount. In a negative sentence, you can say, there is not enough water, which means we need more. You can use enough with both countable nouns, like apples or chairs, and uncountable nouns, like water or rice. Now let's look at using plenty of. We use plenty of when we have more than enough of something, meaning there is a lot more than we need. Plenty of is always used in positive sentences and is never used in negative sentences. With countable nouns, you can say, there are plenty of apples on the table. With uncountable nouns, you can say there is plenty of soup in the pot. Always remember to use there is with uncountable nouns and there are with countable nouns. Here is example 1, looking at rice and dumplings. For the rice, we can say there is enough rice because the amount of rice matches what we need. For the dumplings, we can say there are not enough dumplings because we need more dumplings. Remember, use there is with uncountable nouns, like rice, and there are with countable nouns, like dumplings. Here is example 2, looking at hot dogs and lemonade. When we have lots of hot dogs, we say there are plenty of hot dogs because we have more than enough. When we do not have enough lemonade, we say there is not enough lemonade, so we need to buy more. As a key rule, remember that plenty of and enough can both be used with both countable and uncountable nouns. Now it's your turn. Look at each picture carefully. Decide whether to use enough, not enough, or plenty of. Think about how many are shown in the picture and how many are needed. Here is question 1. How much milk is there? Suppose we need 3 bottles of milk, but there are only 2 bottles. What is the answer? The answer is there is not enough milk. We have fewer bottles than we need, so the amount does not match our need. That is why we use not enough. Here is question 2. How many sausages are there? Suppose we need 5 sausages, but there are many more than 5 sausages on the grill. What is the answer? The answer is there are plenty of sausages. We have more than enough sausages, and when we have a lot, more than we need, we use plenty of. Here is question 3, looking at bowls and cups. Suppose we need 5 bowls and 5 cups, but there are only 3 bowls and 2 cups. What is the answer? The answers are there are not enough bowls and there are not enough cups. Both the bowls and the cups fall short of what we need. Here is question 4, looking at chicken wings and cupcakes. Suppose we need 12 chicken wings and 10 cupcakes. In the picture, there are 15 chicken wings and 7 cupcakes. What is the answer? The answers are there are plenty of chicken wings and there are not enough cupcakes. We have more chicken wings than needed, but not enough cupcakes. Here is question 5, looking at cola and salad. Suppose we need 2 cans of cola and 1 bowl of salad. In the picture, there are 2 cans of cola and a large bowl of salad. What is the answer? The answers are there is enough cola and there is plenty of salad. The cola matches exactly what we need, and for the salad, we have more than enough, so both enough and plenty of work great. Well done, everyone! You have learned how to use enough and plenty of to talk about quantities. Keep practicing. You are doing brilliantly. Remember, enough means the amount matches the need. Not enough means the amount is less than the need. And plenty of means the amount is more than the need. Great job today!